All right, today's video, probably only for about 5% of you, and I don't want to waste the other 95% of your time, so if you don't fit the following criteria, then you can just cruise on, watch another video, watch something else, go enjoy your week, and no hard feelings. But for the 5% of you that this is a good fit for, I've got something special for you. So the 5 things. Do you want to make an extra $2,000 to $3,000 a month? If making an extra $3,000 a month would have a serious impact on your health, your happiness, your life, great. Are you willing to actually put in some work to do it? Are you looking for a mentor that's been there, done that, can help you, basically provide the roadmap for how to go about it? Do you want accountability? Do you want someone who's actually gonna hold you accountable for doing the things you keep saying you're going to do? And finally, are you willing to invest in yourself to do it? Chances are, 95% of you, you're not gonna fit one of those criteria. So maybe you're not willing to work for it, maybe you're not willing to invest in it, maybe you just don't need the money. And if that's the case, then cool, take off. But for the 5% of you that do fit all 5 of those things, stay tuned because it's kind of an exciting week and I'm excited to tell you about it. All right, you still here? Cool, let's chat. So originally I was gonna make this like a scripted video and it's an actual like sales page or whatever, but I kind of realized that the reason that I've been successful is because I don't do that. I'm a normal person and I talk to you like you're a normal person. So what I've got to offer you today, maybe it's a good fit, maybe it's not, but my goal is to help you figure out if it is the right fit. So it's an exciting week because it is the 9th anniversary of when I first launched Location Rebel Academy. So Location Rebel Academy is my course and community where I help you build a bridge business to get you to the point where you're making $2,000 to $3,000 a month over the course of the next 90 days. Sometimes it's gonna take less than 90 days. Sometimes it's gonna take more than 90 days. But my goal is get you to the point where you're making $2,000 to $3,000 a month within the next 3 months because I realize that for most people, that is going to give you options. That is going to allow you to quit your job. That's gonna allow you to go travel around the world and backpack. That's gonna allow you to pay the bills while you focus on the business that you really wanna get going on. And that's what sets Location Rebel Academy apart from just about every other course out there. Because how many times have you been marketed something that's basically like, here's how to make $10,000 in the next day. You're gonna be so rich. I'm not trying to make you rich. All the stuff we teach, like over time, it can make you wealthy. It can make you rich. We have people that, like I said, we've been around for 9 years. So we have people that have gone on to have successful 6-figure businesses, but that's not the goal. My goal is to get you to the point where you've got those options. You've got some freedom, $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Let's set our sights on that, and then we can go from there. So the way we do this is building what I call a bridge business. So a bridge business, it's not supposed to be the thing you're gonna do forever, but it's gonna be the thing that gets you from point A to point B. So maybe you're unemployed right now. Maybe you just lost your job. Maybe you're in a job you don't really like. Maybe you just need to make an extra $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Maybe you're retired and you need to support yourself that way. You're in a situation that needs to be improved, and bringing in a little bit of extra money each month can help you do that. So the bridge business is the easiest way to get you from point A to point B. So we're not gonna be talking about membership sites or Amazon or drop shipping or any of these fancy things, because even though all the marketers make that stuff seem easy, it's actually kind of hard and you need to have a lot of skills in order to do it. So actually the exact number, 92%. 92% of my readers are a good fit for this type of bridge business that I teach you within Location Rebel Academy. I know this because I went back a couple weeks ago and I went through 100 reader responses and I gave the exact same advice to 92 people. So 92%, the right type of bridge business for you to create is a freelance writing business. For as long as I've been doing work online, which is now 11 years, I have not found a better way to start building confidence, building skills, and building income quickly. And that's why I'm so passionate about this type of business, because putting in 10 to 20 hours a week, you can build a great side income that's gonna give you all sorts of freedom and flexibility to pursue other things. So in the course, we teach a 3-step process. So 1 is build relevant skills. We do that by helping you set up a training ground. We're gonna help you build a website so that you can learn things like copywriting, sales, search engine optimization, the basics of design, all these things that no matter what you do online or in your real life, they're going to be useful skills to have. Second thing, we're gonna teach you how to freelance. build up that income, build up that confidence so that you've got a little bit of momentum and you can give yourself some options. And finally, the third thing is apply it to the thing that you're actually most passionate about. So if you know my story at all, you know that I started out freelancing and blogging on the side. And then over the course of a few years, I created Breaking 80, my golf site. Now I've got my cocktail site. So I followed this process. I learned the skills through the blog. I freelanced in order to make enough money to survive and pay the bills and wait while courses like Location Rebel Academy and my golf membership site and all that stuff kind of took off. And then the third step is building and growing those more passion projects. So now my golf business is a six-figure business a year. And it's all because I kind of went through these three steps. So one of the coolest things about Location Rebel is we've been around for 9 years and it's lifetime access. So we have over 4,000 members in our community that are working on and have built successful businesses just like what I've told you. So you get mentorship from myself, my right-hand woman, Liz, who's been around since 2012. We've helped thousands of people do this, but you also get access to the community. So you're getting access to people every step of the way, people that have the six-figure businesses and have stuck around to mentor other new members. And then you've got people that are joining around the same time as you, or that are maybe 1 or 2 steps beyond where you are, that can help kind of pull you up and pull you along as you're getting going with your business. So it's this great community that's honestly one of the best places I know of online for the support and the accountability to build something real, to build something sustainable, that's gonna allow you the freedom to do more of the things you like to do. So why am I telling you this now? So it's our 9th anniversary. I only do 2 promotions a year. We do one on New Year's Day, and I do one for our anniversary, which happens to be this week. I never discount the course. You will never see Location Rebel cheaper than $749. I'm a pretty firm believer that you need to invest in yourself, otherwise you're not going to take action. I also don't want anybody to think that they got a bad deal. I don't want someone that joined last month to then see someone else got in for $300 less. That's not fair to them. Because of that, I never discount it. But what I do is during these promotions, I offer a lot of bonuses. I offer as much value as I possibly can to make it worth your while. And this week, we've got our anniversary sale. So probably more than ever before, we've got basically, I threw the kitchen sink at this. I did everything I could to make this as much of a no-brainer as possible for the person that wants to make an extra few $1,000s a month. You're willing to do the work, you're willing to invest in yourself, you're looking for a mentor, and you want the accountability. If that's not you, then I don't want you in the course because you're not going to do it, and then you'll refund it, and then you'll waste both of our times, and that's not cool. But if you're looking to do those 5 things, then I truly believe that I can help change your life. I mean, that's why I've been doing these videos every week, twice a week for years now. You should hopefully have a sense of whether or not I'm a genuine person, whether or not I'm the real deal, whether or not I know what I'm talking about. So if you've been thinking about joining, or maybe you didn't even know we had an academy, consider this your introduction. With the bonuses this week, we've got some pretty killer stuff. So the first 10 people that join, you're gonna get a one-on-one call with me, half an hour, we can talk about anything you want. The first 25 people that join, we are actually going to build you a website so that you can get going with your niche site or with your freelance site right away. You get your choice of 2 different themes that I have personally gone in and customized so that you basically, all you have to do is put in your own words and you can hit the ground running. There are a couple caveats to that. You do have to sign up through our Bluehost link, get hosting through us. But in under a week, we are going to give you a beautiful looking site so that you don't have to spend hours creating it for yourself, which that's pretty cool. The first 50 people that join, you're going to get access to the best copywriting course on the planet. It's called Copy Hour. Literally just 3 weeks ago, he was doing his launch where he was charging $1,500 for it. And you're going to get it for free when you join Location Rebel Academy. Like, that is an unbelievable, insane deal. And I can't believe Derek still lets me do this. So thank you, Derek. The first 75 people to join are going to get a site audit, personalized site audit. So if you've got your website, you're not sure if the copy looks good, you're not sure if the design looks good, I will personally go through it and give you feedback to help make sure it's going to be as effective as possible. And finally, the first 100 people that join are going to get Rebel Launches, my course all about how I do product launches and how every product launch I've done has always made at least 5 figures, mostly through building real relationships and being an authentic person. So if you're looking to build real relationships with your readers, help them and sell them a product that's going to be useful to them and make money for yourself, then this is a fantastic course for that. And those are just the bonuses. You're also getting everything else that's included in Location Rebel Academy, which is all of our freelance writing content. So we have a brand new freelance writing bootcamp, which is 12 weeks long. And the goal is to get you to the point where you're making $2,000 a month in 12 months through freelance writing. We help you every step of the way and we hold you accountable for doing it. Not to mention, we've got blueprints on copywriting, we've got blueprints on SEO, we've got blueprints on design, we've got so much stuff. There's so much stuff. But even with all that stuff, we make it super accessible. So when you jump in, you know exactly what you need to do, you know how to get started, and we can get to that point where you're making that $2,000 to $3,000 a month as quickly as possible through your freelance stuff. But one of the cool things about this course is we're giving you all these bonuses. So when you join, this is a course that's going to grow with you. You're not going to need everything today. You might not even need everything 6 months from now. But once you're at that point where freelance business is kind of successful, maybe you've left your job, you want to start really working on that passion project, then you can jump into our hobby hacking course. And then once you've built up a little bit of an audience there, then you can jump into our Rebel Launches course to do your first product launch. So this is a community that just kind of keeps giving. And like I said, we have over 4,000 members, over 50 different countries. So you've got a ton of support. You've got people that have been there, done that. It's kind of an exciting place to be. But basically, what you need to know is that the sale ends Monday, August 3rd at 11:59 p.m. And after that, you're not going to be able to get any of the bonuses. So all of this stuff together is worth $4,000, $5,000, especially when you include the copy hour bonus, the website, all the stuff. And no false scarcity. I mean, the course will still be for sale. You'll be able to buy it for the same price, $749, but you're not going to get all of the extra stuff with it. So if you've been thinking about it, if you've been on the fence, if you think Location Rebel Academy might be right for you, this is the best time possible to join. You're also coming in with a big group of dozens of other people that are motivated. So often the most successful members we have are the people that join in January or July during these sales, when you get these kind of big groups and these classes that come in together. So that's it. That's all I'm going to say. You've heard this. You've maybe seen the sales page. There's a link below to see the offer. You know if this is the right fit for you or not. You know if you trust me and think I'm the real deal. You know if you're willing to put in the work to build a freelance writing business or even want to build a freelance writing business. And if you don't want to do any of those things, then cool. We'll have plenty of other videos and lots of other stuff. But if you do, then I honestly think this is the very best course, community, training on the internet for building that lifestyle business. So even if I can't make all the promises that these other people can, where they're going to make you millions of dollars overnight, which again, they're lying to you, I can promise you that there will be real people helping you get real results in a real community, and that's what this is all about, right? Building connections and doing more of the stuff we love to do, and that's what Location Rebel is built for. I mean, that's why 9 years later, since we first launched the Academy, that's why I'm still devoted to helping people every single day, because I've seen how powerful it can be. So now I'm rambling. Go check out the sale. Go check out Location Rebel. If you have any questions about anything, Sean@locationrebel.com. Shoot me an email, leave a comment below, whatever it is. I'll make sure that I help you if it's the right fit. And if it's not for you, cool. Then I'll just see you on the next video where we'll continue to have more great free content. Yeah, I think that covers it. All right, see ya. Peace.